Installed your XAMPP, we need to launch it, and then from there, at least we create our first hello program. So on your computer where you installed the program, probably it went to the local disk C unless you changed. XAMPP, you open the folder, then you open htdocs, then this is the server environment. This is where we'll be creating our project. So like now, I can just create a new folder and maybe call this folder lesson 1. Let me just say lesson underscore 1, something like that. So this is my project. This is my project. This is where I'll put every other file. So open Visual Studio, open Visual Studio Code, sorry, open Visual Studio Code. Then make sure you open that folder that we've just created on htdocs. We've said local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs. So then from there, you create a folder. File, open folder. The folder that we've just created is it's in local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, lesson 1. Select. Then now I'm ready to begin. So this is my mother folder, but it doesn't have any file. So we are going to create one single file here. Then we'll call this file any name. I'll just say index.php. Now this time around, it is not HTML. It is .php. Before we do anything, we need to make sure that the server is running. So you go to local disk C, XAMPP, and when you open the XAMPP folder, down there, make sure you can see XAMPP control. Then you can start both Apache and MySQL. For now, we may not be using MySQL, but it's also good maybe to get used to launching the two, because later on we shall be using both Apache and MySQL. So let us create a simple program. How does PHP start? How does it end? Now this is programming, and there's a syntax that we must follow. There's a syntax that we must follow. So when it comes to PHP, you need to have a less than sign, a question mark, and then now the word PHP. Then down there, question mark, and then a greater than sign. Less than sign, question mark, PHP. Then down there, question mark, PHP. So here, if you want to run any program, or if you want to display something on the screen for the users to see, then you use echo, followed by quotes, and then a semicolon at the end of the day, and then now you type what you want. Hello world. So this is a very fast application that we've created. Now how do we run this? You open your browser, type local host, then slash the folder name. Mine was lesson underscore 1, and maybe you can say the name of the file. In case it is not index.php, you need to specify the name of the file after the slash. But if it is indexed, definitely it will be picked automatically. So this is what we have done. But in case it was a different file, then you had to type it here. Like for example, if you are targeting about.php, then you could have written that here. Now, one thing that you'll notice is that when you introduce anything, like for example, if you don't have like a semicolon at the end here, and then now you have like something else that you are typing here, then maybe how do you do another echo, you may realize that you'll get syntax errors, yeah, because PHP expects a semicolon at the end of every other new line. So you are expected to have semicolons at the end of the day. So it's good you also realize that this is pure programming. So you need to, from the word go, you need to get used to the right syntaxes. So that is how we'll be doing it. If we want to introduce maybe HTML, again, we'll just do the HTML inside the double quotes, just the way we were doing in JavaScript. Like for example, I can just say I want to put some h1 there, and maybe I want to introduce a break tag here before the second statement. So something like that, and there you go. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next class.